students, welcome to the virtual class. Today we will continue unit 12, basic geometry. First is point. Let's make a dot on a paper with sharp pencil. This dot gives you an idea of a point. A point determines the location. We use single capital letters like A, B, C to represent a point. These points will be read as point P, point Q and point R. Second is line segment. A line segment has two endpoints. A line segment has a definite length which can be measured. This represents a line segment AB. Third is line. A line is a straight path which extends endlessly in both directions. A line has no endpoint. We cannot measure the length of a line. This represents a line AB. The arrowhead shows that a line extends endlessly in both directions. Fourth is ray. A ray is a straight path which extends endlessly in one direction. A ray has one endpoint. We cannot measure the length of a ray. This represents a ray YX. A ray extends endlessly in the direction of the arrowhead. Let's solve worksheet 3. Identify the following as line, line segment or ray. Now see first figure. It has one endpoint and extends endlessly in the direction of the arrowhead. So it is a ray. Now see next figure. The arrowhead shows that a line extends endlessly in both directions. So it is a line. Next figure. It has two endpoints. So it is a line segment, D part. It has also two endpoints. So it is a line segment, E part. It has one endpoint and extends endlessly in the direction of the arrowhead. So it is a ray. F part. The arrowhead shows that a line extends endlessly in both directions. So it is a line. Next question. Mark 3 points on the line segment AB and also name them. Now mark any 3 points on the given line segment AB. Now name them. We can write first point as P, second point as Q and third point as R. Next question. In the given line segment, how many points are marked between A part? X and Y. Now count the points between X and Y, and these are 7 points. So write here 7. B part. P and B. Now count the points between P and B, and these are 3 points. So write here 3. Fourth question. How many line segments are there in each of the following? Now see first figure. Now count the line segment. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here there are 4 line segments. So we write here 4. In the same way, count the line segment in the second figure. Here are 7 line segments. C part. In the same way, line segment in the given figure are 5. So write here 5. Now your home assignment. Do question number 1 to 4 in your book. Thank you.